Hi y'all, welcome back to the ranch where we're living life up to no grid. Sorry about the bad lighting and sorry about the bad sound. I just got off of my paycheck job, but it's time to get to work. We've got an interesting build in store so we can make use of this low spot here in front of the garden. And I will let you guys follow along and see the finished product of what we're gonna put in these pieces of metal. I'm sure you all have figured out we've got a circle here, and my plan to plant strawberries in here. I do think that this will be a good strawberry bed. I'm just not sure it's going to be big enough for the amount of strawberries that I have. This was a promo, and it was advertised as a fire pit, and I originally thought I was going to use it as an additional fire pit, but when I realized how short it was, I knew it was not going to be sufficient for what we need in a fire pit. I still need to leave this a review, however, because once I have it, I am required to leave an honest review. So the best way I can figure to find a good use for it and a garden bed is the best I could come up with. So far, I think it's been fairly easy to put together. I mean, there's no instructions, zero instructions. However, I don't know why a person would need instructions to put this together. You literally just put bolts through the holes and wing nuts and create a circle. I mean, it really doesn't get much more simple than that. I don't know what else you could do. But all in all, it feels a pretty good structure, and I didn't have to like maneuver this difficultly to get it to go into a circle. It was pretty easy, and it hasn't really taken me that long. I'm gonna say I've been out here at it for an hour and a half or so. Anyway, all in all, I wouldn't say this is too bad. And this is my last one going in right now. It was easier to put them all on loosely and then tighten. If you didn't do that, then you had a hard time getting some of the bolts through. But for the most part, that worked pretty good. Stays pretty much in a circle. So now I'm going to line the bottom with cardboard and then I'll have to fill it up with rabbit poo and some soil that I don't know where I'm going to get because this soil sucks. And then I'll be planting the strawberries in it. So I will bring you guys along for the next step. But that is going to be it for tonight. Remember, never a dull day at the ranch.